How to fix the Discord stuck on a gray or a black screen. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're having troubles with the Discord application as it is stuck on a gray or a black screen, then here is the solutions to fix it. First and foremost, you can refresh your Discord. In order to do so in Windows, type in CTRL plus R or Command plus R for Mac to refresh the app. This can resolve the minor glitches and you should be good to go. Now, another option is to clear the Discord cache. For this, place Windows plus R key and type in percentage app data percentage. This way, it will open another page. From here, you have to locate on Discord and then delete it completely. Now that this is done, you have to run Discord as administrator. In order to do so, search for Discord, right click it, and run as administrator to grant the necessary permissions. However, if nothing works, you'll have to uninstall the application from your system and download the latest version again from the official website. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.